Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to show you how to convert a text in Python to a speech, so using a module known as pyttsx3, and I'm going to import it first. So if you're not installed it, you can just open a new terminal, then type out this command, that is pip install pyttsx3. So after installing it, then we are going to import, that is import pytt. So that is it. So after importing our module, then we need to initialize it, and for us to initialize it, we need to assign a variable to it. That is, I'm going to assign hello, and I'm going to give it as pyttsx3 dot init to initialize our module. So, and next I'm also going to assign a variable that is voices, and voices is going to take two voices, that is the male voice and also the female voice. So right here I'm going to use hello dot get property, and I'm going to give I'm going to pass out right here voices, and next I'm going now to set now the ID for these voices, that is the male and the female voice. So I'm going to start with the male voice, that is hello dot set property, and right here I'm going to pass out first I'm going to pass out voices, that is voice, and next I'm going to pass out now to select now the voices from this list, and I'm going to pass out the index 0, that is for male, the male voice. So, and dot id. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell now the Python to say out or to read out whichever text I'm going to put out, that is hello dot say, and I'm going to pass out right here subscribe to. So after this I'm going now to tell our computer to run it, that is hello dot run and wait. Then after now running out, I'm going to, so first we initialize our module, then lastly we are going to tell the computer whenever this piece of code is executed and run out successfully, then I'm going to tell the computer to stop, that is hello dot stop. So I guess that is it. So let me comment out right here. So the first voice, this is the male voice. I'm using ID 0. The ID is equals to 0. So that is the male voice. I'm expecting the computer to read with a male voice. So let me run out this piece of code and see.
Subscribe to Code with Alan. Subscribe to Code with Alan.
So that is the male voice. So let us turn the ID now to our ID. Let us turn it to be now 1. So I'm going to turn the ID to be 1. That is for female voice. This is the female voice.
Subscribe to Code with Alan.